This is a problem, and what amount of HCl present in half liter of 0.1 N solution, 0.1 normal solution, what amount of HCl? Then we know formula of normality. Normality is defined as, okay, normality is defined as the number of gram equivalent, number of gram equivalent, okay, dissolved in 1 liter of the solution is called normality. Okay, then N is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute, number of gram equivalent of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution is called number of gram equivalent of solute, number of gram equivalent of solute divided by volume in liter, V in liter is called normality. Then we know gram equivalent of solute, gram equivalent of solute is equal to given mass divided by equivalent mass. Okay, then equivalent mass is equal to molar mass per valency. Okay, molar mass per valency. Then we find the given mass is equal to given mass divided by equivalent mass into volume is equal to normality. Okay, normality is equal to equivalent mass given mass divided by equivalent mass, that is number of gram equivalent of solute. We know number of gram equivalent of solute into volume in liter, okay, into volume in liter, okay, volume. Then given mass is equal to, we find the given mass is equal to normality equivalent mass. Okay, this is equivalent mass, this is not equivalent, this is equivalent mass. Given mass divided by equivalent mass is equal to gram equivalent of solute. So gram equivalent of solute into volume into equivalent mass into volume. Volume is equal to half liter. Okay, then normality we know 0.1 N HCl H1Cl, that is 35.5. Okay, 35.5 plus 1 is equal to 36.5. Okay, 0.1 N into 36, equivalent mass is equal to 36.5 into half. Okay, that is Okay, 1.825, this will be the answer. Okay, in this way we can find the what amount of HCl present in 500 ml of 0.1 and solution. We put the volume is equal to 500 ml, that is volume 500 ml is equal to half liter. Okay, then in this way you can find. Thank you. Namaste.